In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a component to a new file in Figma. We'll start by opening the Figma file that contains the component you want to move. Make sure you're in the correct file and on the page where the component lives. If you're not sure what you're looking at, components in Figma are usually indicated by a purple diamond icon in the Layers panel, and when selected, you'll see component controls at the top of the canvas. This helps you confirm you're working with a component rather than a simple group or frame. Next, select the component on the canvas. You can click it directly or pick it from the Layers panel if the canvas is crowded. Once it's selected, right-click and choose Copy. You can also use the standard copy shortcut if that's faster for you. A quick tip here, if you want to duplicate the main component rather than an instance, make sure you're selecting the main one. That way, when you paste, you'll carry over the component structure and properties. If you accidentally copy an instance, it will paste as an instance in the new file, which might not be what you want. Now, open a fresh design file from the main menu. Use the Figma menu at the top and choose New Design File. This gives you a clean canvas so you can paste without bringing over unrelated elements. A new file is also useful if you're organizing components into a dedicated library or handing off work to a teammate. On the blank canvas, you'll see a Paste Here prompt. Click on the canvas where you want the component to land and then paste. The component will appear in the position you chose. If you copied the main component, it becomes a local component in the new file. If you copied an instance, it will remain an instance, referencing the source unless the original was part of a published library. After pasting, quickly check that constraints, variants, and any nested components look correct. Finally, type in highlight. Add this text on the canvas near your pasted component to call it out visually or to mark it for review. It's a simple way to make the duplicated component easy to spot, especially if you're sharing the file. You can adjust the font size or color so it stands out without cluttering the canvas. That's it. You've duplicated a component to a new file. If you plan to reuse it across projects, consider publishing the new file as a library so other files can reference it. And whenever you paste components, keep an eye on naming and organization so your design system stays clean and consistent.